said, get on the bus. The Metro bus.
That's right. With all the talk these days about what helps or hurts our environment, you've probably heard the word green to describe everything from light bulbs to laundry detergent. You'll be happy to know Metro RTA, your bus company in Summit County, has been making them green with envy since, well, our tires hit the road. Keep watching to learn more about how Metro Public Transit keeps things green. Riding Metro is a significant way to cut passenger transportation energy use and greenhouse gas emissions. Each year, transit passengers reduce their fuel use by the equivalent of 1.8 billion gallons of gasoline. Carbon dioxide emissions are reduced by 16.2 million metric tons. Combined with savings from improved traffic flow, transit reduces annual fuel use by the equivalent of 4.2 billion gallons of gasoline and cuts carbon dioxide emissions by 37 million metric tons. That's pretty impressive. Speaking of impressive, Metro uses some pretty nifty technology to stay green. We have hybrid buses, bike racks, solar panels, geothermal wells, recycled materials. The list goes on and on. But don't worry, we'll get back to those. On Earth Day 2010, Metro rolled out its first diesel-electric hybrid bus. Our new bus gets moving thanks to a clean diesel hybrid electric propulsion system. The propulsion system reduces emissions, saves on fuel, and is a smoother and quieter ride than a conventional bus. We like the new bus so much, more hybrids are being added to our fleet. Now, don't go thinking other buses aren't as chummy with our Mother Earth. Many of our buses use compressed natural gas, a cleaner and friendlier alternative to fossil fuels. And all of our buses are equipped with bike racks for those riders who prefer pedal power. While we're still talking about buses, don't forget our North Coast Express routes to downtown Cleveland take thousands of commuters off the highways each year. And our park and ride lots let our passengers park their cars and go Metro. The Transit Center in downtown Akron uses 435 solar panels to generate energy. In 1 year, the panels generate an average of 579,000 kilowatt-hours worth of power. That's roughly the energy you'd need to run a 19-inch cathode ray television set for about 734 years. The Transit Center solar panels are rivaled only by the solar panels on our bus garages. More than 3,000 of them grace the bus garage roof at Metro's headquarters on Kenmore Boulevard. Sunk 305 feet into the ground, geothermal wells, 45 of them to be exact, keep the Transit Center nice and warm in the winter and cool in the summer. We recycle rainwater and use it for landscaping and non-potable purposes in our restrooms. In addition to recycling rainwater, we recycle just about everything we can. Where feasible, recycled materials like concrete were used in the center's design. You'll also notice recycling receptacles in key locations around the Transit Center. Pitch in your bottles and cans. Each day, Metro passengers take close to 20,000 trips to work, school, medical appointments, and other places. Can you imagine the traffic snarl if all those trips were made with cars instead? Nearly 90% of Metro passengers get to their buses using good old-fashioned foot power, either walking or riding a bike. On average, the typical public transit rider consumes half the oil an automobile owner consumes. That's good news. Even better news, your ridership helps Metro help the environment. So, we'll see you on the bus.
Go Metro and ride.